Good morning, everyone. Today I wanted to give you a quick introduction to Condor, the batch scheduler that harvests a news cycle. So here I am on my shell in my computer. There is a head node to a Condor pool, and I have a little Condor script, hello.condor. And here you can see I specify a universe, requirements, an environment, and executable, and some other things. So let's look at what's in this executable hello.bat. It's just one line, echo hello world, so it can't get easier than this. This is going to execute on a Windows machine. You can see this from the requirements operating system equals Windows NT60 right here on an Intel processor. Okay, and as I said, the executable is hello.bat. I have two directives here about transferring files, and then I'm specifying an output file, an error file, a log file, and I'm specifying that I never want to receive any emails about this job. And at the end of this, I say queue, which basically queues the job in the list. So now how to submit this Condor job? It's the condor submit command, and then I pass the Condor script hello.condor and I hit return, and now I see I have submitted jobs, and I check the queue, Condor queue. Oh, here I am. This is submitted from this machine. That's the host I'm on right now, and here you can see my job submitted by Seb Goa. This is me, and my job hello.bat. If I use my little watch command, watch Condor queue, hop, I see that suddenly my job disappeared. It's good. It just got finished very quickly. And now I have my error file, my log file, and my output file. If I look in my output file, hopefully I have what I'm expecting. Hello world. There you go. Very simple. So let me clear these files to make this a little bit cleaner. And let's look at a different Hello World program now, which is, it's going to be a Python Hello World program. So here I'm going to submit a Python script to be executed on a remote machine. This Python script hello.py is extremely simple. It says, hello, I'm Sebastian. Okay? So now the bat file that is going to be executed on the Windows machine, remember it's a Windows in the back, it's going to be the path to Python executable in the Windows machine, and then I pass the script. Okay. By the way, if I run this script here on this Linux machine, it should also execute hello, I'm Sebastian. Okay. So now let's look at the different Condor script that is submitting this job. Same again, universe equals vanilla, sending to Windows machines. I'm adding a requirement here with the end and ccit lab equals true. This is just something that needs to evaluate to true, and that's going to basically give me a machine that has Python. And now I change the name of the executable, and what I'm doing though is that I passed a file as input, and as input it's my script. So remember, if I look at this hello py.bat, you see that I'm passing it hello.py. So as I do this, I need to make sure that hello.py is going to be transferred, and this is done by specifying it as an input to the script. So now again, condor submit hello py.condor. Okay. Watch Condor queue, and maybe I'm going to catch it. Yes. So you see Seb Goa here. I'm in the queue. I'm queued. My status right now is idle. So up, and now I just switch to running. So my job is running and my job is done. I quit the watch command, and I should now see the hello.out. Hello, I'm Sebastian. Great. So we submitted a very simple hello world program that was just doing an echo on a remote Windows machine. And that second example, we submitted a very simple Python script to a remote Windows machine, and that remote Windows machine executed the job and returned hello, I'm Sebastian. Now, what is a little bit more interesting is to pass arguments to this script. So here I have very similar bat file, but you see that now I'm also passing an argument to the Python script, okay, with that %sign star. If I look at the test.py command, well, it's going to be very simple. It's going to read an argument, sysargv1. This is going to read the first argument to this script, and this is going to print. This is a bit simple, and then it's going to print the argument read. Okay. So let's look at the test.condor file now that can do this. This is just a pure copy from a previous example. Test.bat is the executable. As I said, I need to add test.py as input, and I want to pass arguments to this, and there is a magic key, I would say, in Condor. It's $, parenthesis process, which is going to pass the process number of the job to the script as argument. You see that here I actually put it here in the output, in defining the output file, .out.$process, so it's going to write an additional number. And here, instead of doing Q and that's it, I said Q10. So what this is going to do is actually queue 10 jobs. So I'm going to submit 10 jobs with this single script, and for each job I'm going to pass a different argument to the test.py script. So I want to write this file, wq, and I want to do a condor submit test.condor. Here you go, and you see that it says 10 jobs submitted. And now if I do my watch command, here you go, and you see that I have those jobs that are submitted. I had 10, one already finished, and they're gonna go down the queue being executed. 4, 5, 6. They go so fast that I cannot get more than one actually running at a time because they go extremely fast. Now we're done. There you go. And what do we expect on return? We expect 10 test.out file. Here they are. Test.out 0 through 9. And if I look at test.out, okay, let's say 3. This is a bit simple. 3. I passed 3 as an argument. And if I look at 8, I should see this is a bit simple 8. And here you go. This is a bit simple 8. So that was a very, very quick introduction to Condor scripts, submitting Condor, passing arguments. So stay tuned for the next step. Thanks.